Hi, kindergartners, it's Mrs. Compton, and today we're going to start off with a quick game of Flash. So we are going to look at my board that I have. It's right here, see it's sneaking up there? It has some dots on it, and I want to see if you can figure out how many dots are on my board and how you saw them. But remember, you have to blink your eyes. Get your eyes all ready because it's going to be quick in a flash. Okay, ready? Here it comes. All right. I show you again. Ready? Okay. How many dots did you see and how did you see them? All right, let's see. How many dots were there? Now how did you see them? How did you know? So maybe you said there were 5 dots, but maybe you didn't have enough time to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So maybe you actually saw it as 1, 2, 3 and 2, and you knew 3 plus 2 more would make 5. Maybe you knew that. Or maybe, I'm going to take another guess. Maybe you saw it like this. A group of 2 here, a group of 2 here, and 1 extra 1 there. And you thought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did anybody do that? All right, that would be really fun to think about it like in different ways, right? Our classmates all think about things in different ways. It's really fun to learn from each other. Okay, I'm gonna do another one. Are you ready? I'm gonna draw it up right here. Are you excited to see it? All right, here it comes. Get your blinks out. Here it is. Ready? One more time. How many dots did you see? How did you see them? Okay, so let's see. How many dots are there? What did you say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this time we had 6 dots. And how did you know? Did you see those groups of 2? How many groups of 2 do you see? I see 1, 2, 3 groups of 2. So maybe you did 2, and then 2 more, and then 2 more after that. And you're like, oh, that's 6. Or let's see how else you may have seen it. Let's see if I can figure out another way. See if some of you guys are getting really creative. Oh, I know. Did anybody see a 4 and a 2 more? I bet somebody out there saw that. So 4 and 2 more would still make 6. Okay, let me see if I can get another one. You guys are getting good at this, right? You're going to get to a place where you're going to stump me and I don't even know how you saw it. Okay, let's see. Maybe you even saw a 10, half of a 10 frame? Maybe? I don't know. Maybe some people were like, I saw a 10 frame and then one was missing, so I moved it up there. Did anybody do that? Did anybody move this one up there and say, oh, that's 5, and then 1 more makes 6? I bet somebody did that. If you're moving stuff around in your mind, I would be so curious to get into your brain and do a little brain surgery on you. All right, you guys, it is my favorite time of year. Now, I'm wearing orange. It might look like red to you, but I'm wearing orange. It's my favorite color. We're in Halloween season, and today we're going to talk about pumpkins. All right, so I want you to think about pumpkins. If you've ever gone to Trader Joe's, you know right now there's zillions of pumpkins outside, right? And they all look different. And if you imagine walking through a pumpkin patch, you probably have seen pumpkins that were reddish and orangish and greenish and yellowish. There's pumpkins of all different shapes and sizes and colors. And so today we're going to think about some big pumpkins and some small pumpkins. Okay, so here comes our story. Check it out. Pumpkins. All right, let's read that together. Pumpkins. Nixon went to the pumpkin patch. She picked big pumpkins and small pumpkins. Okay, so we know Nixon went to the pumpkin patch. She's picked some big pumpkins and she's picked some small pumpkins. We want to find out how many pumpkins did she pick all together. Okay, so let's see. What do we know for sure? Let's get that picture in our mind. Nixon went to the pumpkin patch. Can you see Nixon? There she's going. She's weaving her way through the pumpkins. Okay, and we know for sure she's got some big pumpkins. You see her carrying those big pumpkins? And we know for sure she's got some small pumpkins. And we want to know all together how many pumpkins Nixon picked. Okay, so our just right number sets are here. We've got 1 and 4, or you might choose 2 and 3, or you might choose 3 and 7. Here's the thing. If you pick a number set, let's say if I choose this number set, I have to keep this set of numbers together. I can't choose the 1 from here and the 7 from here. I have to choose these together. And the 1 is the first one, so it goes on my first blank line. So this is my first blank line, it goes here. She picked 1 big pumpkin and 4 small pumpkins. How many pumpkins did she pick all together? Okay, so it's your turn. It's time to go get your pumpkin patch story going, and I'll see you next time. Bye, kids.